Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6th A and 6B. Okay, and welcome to the first session of this new academic year 21-22, and we are on fully towards academic part. So hi everyone, I'm Shilpa Miss and I'll be conducting your maths classes. Today we are on for number system lesson number 1. Okay, no need, as I said before, no need to take tension. We are going to do it together. All right, thank you so much, and let's start the studies. Okay, and when we see 2 days are gone like that, so next I have to cover those 2 days. All right, so please concentrate and study. So number system 1. So in this number system, mainly we will be concentrating on comparing numbers. That is comparing numbers in ascending and descending order, and effect of shifting. So this chapter consists of comparison of number, ascending, descending order. Ascending order means smaller to greater, and descending order means greater to smaller, and effect of shifting digits. Effect of shifting digits means, do you have any idea what is the meaning of effect of shifting digits? Effect of shifting digits means if 2-3 digits are given or 4-5 digits are given, you have to rearrange them in such a way that they form some meaningful numbers. For example, greatest number possible with the given 4 digits, smallest number possible with the given 4 digits. So all these things we will be combining together. Okay, so this combining is known as consolidating. Okay, your examples, your questions will be in such a way that in that we will be comparing, and after comparing we will be arranging them in ascending or descending order. So that is the meaning of consolidating. We are combining different concepts to solve examples. All right. Then effect of shifting, I have told you few digits will be given to you and you have to rearrange them in such a way that they form greatest or smallest digits. So I don't want to waste further time. Let's start. First one, that is comparing numbers. Now children, in mathematics, comparison means less than, greater than, or equal to. Less than, greater than, or equal to. I know that you have studied comparison means any type of comparison, small, great, hot, cold, thin, fat, tall, short. So these types of comparison you know. So but when you are comparing in maths, especially with numbers, it always means less than, greater than, or is equal to. Right? So let's see for comparison. Now when I say comparison, at least for this chapter, understand that I'm talking about less than, greater to, or equal to. Okay? Children, if I'm going little faster, please let me know in chat box. Alright, which is there in CSoft. Please let me know if you feel somewhere that I'm very fast or I need to slow my speed. Please let me know. Okay, but if you're watching me on YouTube channel, there is one option for speed, so that there you can reduce the speed, okay, if you want. But then too you let me know, please. So comparing numbers. Now I said, when I mean comparison, what does it mean? Less, greater, equals to, right? So rule number 1. Rule number 1 is, if the two numbers have different numbers of digits, the number with larger number of digits is greater. What does it mean? Let us see that. Number system, comparing. So we are on rule number 1. So first rule is to compare the number of digits, or we say to check the number of digits in each number. Now here in this case I am comparing this number with this number. When I am comparing, it means whether these two numbers are less than, equal to, or greater than each other. Okay, so this I'll not repeat hereafter. Compare means you should understand less than, greater than, or equal to. Right? So I'm comparing these two numbers. For comparing these two numbers, I need to know the first rule. The first rule is to check the number of digits in each case or to compare the number of digits in each case. So in this case, the number of digits are, let us see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 I have written here. In this case, the number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have written here 5. Now those who don't know the difference between digit and number, for them few seconds video I would like to dedicate. So see, when I say 2147, I am talking about this number. When I say 25,632, I am talking about this number. But when I say 2147, I am talking about digits. And here also 25632, I am talking about digits. Understood? So numbers are made from digits. Like a word is made from alphabets, similarly a number is made from digits. So here the number of, for example, this number is made of how many, this number word is made up of how many alphabets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 alphabets in this word. Similarly, in this number, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So 4 and 5. So now see, it is clear that if here 4 is less than 5. Since the number of digit here is less than number of digit here, we say that 2147 is less than 25,632. Why? Because 4 is less than 5. Means the number of digit here is lesser. So this number is lesser. And the number of digits here are more or greater. So this number is greater. Okay, that's the key. Now, same, I have taken 2 examples. You can see here. What is rule number 1? Compare the number of digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6, 1, 4, 2. That is 1, 2, 3. So here 3. So compare 6 with 3. You know that 6 is greater than 3. Since 6 is greater, this digit is also greater. This number is also greater. 3 is smaller. This number is also smaller. Very easy. Now let us see the last example. What is the first rule? Compare the, yes, speak out, number of digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 5, right? So 4 is, when we compare, 4 is less than 5. Since 4 is lesser, this number is smaller. That is 3,535 is smaller. 5 is greater than 4. This means 11,157 is great. Okay. If the number of digit is less, the number is smaller. If the number of digit is more, the number is great. Okay, that's the rule number 1. Now let us see what rule number 2 says. Rule number 2 says 45,361. Rule number 2 does not say this. This is not rule number 2. Rule number 2 says let's have no confusion. These two numbers we have to compare, 45,361 and 21,361. These two numbers we are comparing. Okay, so let's compare. First, see, rule number 2 is there, but then to follow rule number 2, we have to apply rule number 1 again here. What is rule number 1? To compare the number of digits, right? So let me compare 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have written here 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have written here 5. So the question arises here. In these cases, you can see 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5. Both the numbers were different, so we were able to take decision. But here in this case, both are similar, 5, 5. Now what to do? Very simple. When this case comes with both the number of digits in both the numbers are similar, then compare the first digit from left. See, this is left side, this is right side, this is left side, this is the right side. Compare the first left numbers of both the numbers. First left both the numbers. So first number of this number is first digit. So 45,361 first digit is 4 and 21,361's first digit is 2. So compare 4 and 2. In this, which is greater? 4 is greater. So we say that 45,361 is greater than 21,361. Rule number 2, when to apply? When the number of digits are similar. Till that time, no need to apply rule number 2. Okay. And you can see here you can see here another example. Let's see the number of digits, 5 here and here it is 5. Again same situation, number of digits are 5, so we can apply rule number 2. What does rule number 2 says? Rule number 2 says when both the number of digits, in both numbers, when the number of digits are similar, compare the first number, okay, from left side. So first number is 2 here and this here first number is 9. 2 is smaller and 9 is greater. So since 2 is greater, we say that 21,950. Sorry, 2 is smaller, so we say that 21,953 is smaller and 9 is greater, so we say that 91,000 is greater. Okay. Now rule number 3. Now rule number 3. For applying rule number 3, we have to apply rule number 1 and 2 first. Okay. So first compare the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5, here 5. Here also it is 5, right? Then 5 and 5, right? So see, since these two have come similar, what we have to do is compare the first digit. 4, 4. Compare the first digit. Again it is similar. Then what is the rule? Compare the second digit. So I have compared the second digit also. Again it is 1 and 1. So it is also similar. Compare third digit. 3 and 2. So here we got the result. Why here we got the result? Because here it is 3 and here it is 2. Okay, so here 3 is greater than 2. So we say that 41,356 is greater than 41,236. Okay. But if you suppose in one doubt comes in your mind, that means if suppose here is 3 and here also 3, then what to do? Then compare the fourth digit. Then compare the fourth digit. If fourth digits are also same, then what to do? Then compare the fifth digit. If fifth digits are also same, then we say that these two numbers are equal. Okay. So if number of digits are same, compare first number. If first number is same, compare second number. Similarly, if second is same but third is not same, you have difference, then take decision according to it. Okay. So for today we'll have this much, and homework for today is question number 1, exercise 1A, question number 1, 2 and 3. For that I will give you the way you are supposed to write, so that there should be no confusion. No need to write steps, only steps are for understanding. You can see here exercise 1A, which is greater, 537 or 98. I know 537 is greater, so I have written 537 is greater because it is obvious. Okay. So, similarly, direct answer you should write, this is greater. So question number 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So for today's video, this is enough, and thank you so much, and please take care.